In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable right-click on a Wix website using Right-Click Protector. If you want to make it a little harder for visitors to copy text, save images, or inspect content on your site using a simple right-click, Wix makes this possible through an app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it set up quickly and easily. To begin, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is the main control area for your website where you can manage design, settings, apps, and other features. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of options there, and the one you want is Apps. Go ahead and click on that. After opening the Apps section, click on App Market. This is where Wix lists tools and add-ons that you can install to expand your site's functionality. Once the App Market loads, use the search bar to look for Right-Click Protector. Make sure you type the name carefully so the correct app appears in the search results. When you see the app, select it to open its details. It's always a good idea to briefly review what the app does before installing it, just to make sure it matches what you need. In this case, the app is designed to help restrict right-click actions on your website, which can add a basic layer of content protection. Next, click Add to Site. Wix will then begin installing the app onto your website. In most cases, this only takes a moment. Once the app has been added, the right-click protection feature is set up on your site. And that's it for the main setup. If you want more control over how the app works, you can also visit the app after installation to edit its settings. Depending on the app, you may be able to adjust how the protection behaves or customize the experience to better fit your website. One important thing to keep in mind is that disabling right-click can discourage casual copying, but it's not a complete security solution. So while it can be useful, it should be seen as a basic protective measure rather than full content security. That's how to disable right-click on a Wix website using Right-Click Protector.